Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is an old video from 2019, but a very special one that I really wanted to share with you. Let me set the scene. It's a cold April, the end of my third day salmon fishing, to which I and others on the beat have not had a pull. It's the end of the day and the wife and son come down to see me on the river. My son surprised me by showing an interest and asked me to show him how to spin for salmon. I willingly take him down to a pool, which is a little bit better for spinning, and I enthusiastically tell him how to fish the pool. But I didn't really have much hope for him catching anything. What unfolded in the next 8 minutes still leaves me speechless to this day. After a few practice casts and getting snagged, let's jump forward to 4 minutes and where the action really starts. Slowly, lift it up. Good boy. Right, whoa, keep your head up. He's only gonna hook to bloody salmon. Are you videoing? Keep reading. You've got to keep that bending as well. Right, let me go. Good lad.
Wow.
See, I told you.
Wow. Superb it is.
After unhooking and a quick picture,
Alright.
it was time to let the fish
Yep.
recover and go on its journey.
Got him?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
There he goes. Woohoo! Put it there, Dennis.